Hello students, today we will discuss about structure of atom, that is a lesson of 9th class. We all know that matter is made up of atoms, means very very tiny particles that makes a matter, and these are indivisible. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. These are right here, building block of matter. Okay, major point regarding the composition was made by Dalton. Some major points according to him: all atoms of each and every element are same, means one element के सभी atom same होंगे, but later some, or we can say that every atom of any element are same, means every element has same atom, same quality, same nature, okay, and same properties. But later it was found that atoms of same element are different, means for example आयरन के एटम हैं वो दो एटम आपस में डिफरेंट होंगे. दिस मिस्ट्री means was solved by scientists J.J. Thomson, Goldstein, Rutherford, Chadwick, Bohr and many more. Okay, this mystery was solved by after that the scientists. In the present topic we shall mainly focus on the composition of atoms and study the constituents. Okay, charged particle matter. Now how we know that charged particles are present in matter or atom? First we discuss electrical nature of matter was indicated in the form of friction electricity, means when we rub then friction produce, then charge of any body takes place. So I write here, first we discuss electrical nature of matter was indicated in the form of friction electricity, means by rubbing any two bodies are charged, that means electricity produced. It was produced by rubbing together like two bodies such as glass rod or ebonite rod with silk or fur. As a result of rubbing they got electrically charged. Okay students, now we will discuss how these bodies are charged. We know by frictions, but which type of charge, positive or negative? Means by during rubbing transfer of electrons takes place only, but where these electrons come, how electrons are discovered. So today we will discuss about discovery of electron. J.J. Thomson's performed experiment. Firstly I show you diagram. Discovery of electron. Here it is the discharge tube. Okay, these are two electrodes. Negative end is connected with this side, known cathode, and positive side known as this anode. Here it is vacuumized, okay, by pump. These are very high voltage. Okay, now here these are some topics. Now we will discuss more. Now in this diagram that I show, means electrode connected to negative terminal of battery, that is called cathode, and what is anode? The electrode connected to the positive terminal. Here you show here this negative terminal, that is cathode, and this positive terminal, that is anode. And vacuum pump is used to reduce the pressure inside the tube, this discharge tube. By vacuum we reduce discharge pressure. Okay, now observations. At very high voltage was passed in this battery, very high current was passed, voltage was passed. When high voltage was passed, then what will happen? On reducing pressure about 1 mm electricity flow, and light was emitted inside tube. Okay, light emitted here from cathode. Okay, then if further reducing pressure, then cathode negative side start greenish light, that is fluorescence. After invest, means negative charge cathode electrode emit fluorescent light. Okay, after investigation, fluorescence is due to the bombardment of ray B cathode, means what is this light? This light is cathode. These are known as cathode rays. Thomson repeated this experiment by replacing air. Some point were observed. मीन्स कैथोड रे से लाइट निकली है, दैट विच ए इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट ऑल्सो कैथोड रे मीन्स कैथोड रेज आर फाउंड बाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पार्टिकल्स. नाउ सम properties of cathode ray, characteristics of cathode rays. Cathode is always travel in straight line. Okay, I write here, always travel in straight line. Cathode rays consist of negatively charged particle known as, means cathode ray जो बनी आपकी negatively charged particle से ही बनी है, that we call electrons. When strike or metal it gets heated, cathode rays pass through very thin foil of metal. Okay, cathode ray reflected by electric means electric और magnetic field से ही reflect होती है. Now from the study of these points it was concluded that they consist of negatively charged particles that are called electrons. Means cathode ray is formed by which particles? Negatively charged particles that we called electrons. Okay, now in the same way, just little bit difference, discovery of proton that we discuss here, here you show diagram like this. It is also a discharge tube that is perforated cathode here. Perforated means here some holes are in this, and this is to vacuum. This is positive side of battery, this is negative side of battery. Okay, that is note. Okay, now what will happen in this tube? That we write some points here. Okay, you read this. Discovery of protons. Arjun Goldstein, he used a perforated cathode. Here we use perforated cathode means that is called perforated cathode here, in which holes are present. In the center of tube, hydrogen gas enclosed in discharge here. In the center of tube, hydrogen gas was discharged, present here. An experiment was performed. He discovered new type of ray which were emitted from tube rays, passed through the perforation of cathode and moved away from anode. Means some rays are passing from this and moved away from anode. These rays were named anode, they were directed away from anode. Means in the electrons, rays are emitted from this side, but in protons rays are emitted from this side, these particles. Okay, now some more points are there. These rays are called positive rays and they were named as anode rays. Means anode side से rays निकलेगी, that is called positive rays, and positive part known as protons. Properties: travel in straight line. Anode rays consist of positively charged particle known as protons. Anode is also deflected by electric and magnetic field. Okay, I show you diagram again, and this is the diagram of proton. Here from anode these particles are, okay, these are protons, and here this is the particles. Okay, now students, in the next lecture we will discuss some more points about this chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.